Hi everyone, myself Roshni. I had one story. This related to father and son. Ravi is a bright and hardworking student in his class. His father works as a sanitation worker for the local municipality. One day during a school event, another student find out about Ravi's father's job and starts mocking him, saying, "Yuri, the son of a sweeper, what do you know about success?" Even though Ravi constantly scores among the top in his class, some students began to avoid him, thinking her less because of his father's job. Teachers notice this and intervenes explanation and every job has dignity and that judging someone by their parents occupation is unfair and wrong. Over time, Ravi's classmates began to appreciate his talent and respect him. I learned this story. A person's worth is not measured by their parents' job, by their own, own character and his actions.
Hello everyone, myself are Subhashri. I give an example regards to the communication skill. I learned one short story that is regards to the Kalpana Chawla's journey. Kalpana came from a small village where English was not commonly spoken. When she joined a college in a big city, she struggled to communicate fluently in English. Many of her classmates laughed at her accent and grammar mistakes. Some even avoided working with her in the group project, assuming she was not intelligent. Feeling hurt but determined, Kalpana started practicing daily. She listened to English news, watched videos with subtitles, joined a public speaking group, and even practicing in front of the mirror. Gradually, her confidence grew, and so did her fluency. By her final year, she became the student council president, delivered speeches on the stages, and helped others who struggled like she once did. In this short story, I learned people may judge you for how you speak, but your efforts and the growth can rewrite your story.
Third stage of design thinking idea. Now you are ready to generate the ideas. The solutions make background of knowledge of the first stage. First one means you can start projecting outside the box. Look for the alternate way to view the problem and identify the innovations or solution to the problem statement creative. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Kamini. Now I am talk about fourth stage of prototype. Prototype is as known as created by the project review of feedback. That is known as the sample of product. System idea to the design product failed by the development. Features of design thinking in the customized the review of the stage. Next, now I am talking about test. This is the final stage of design